Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be doing a login system or starting the login system. So what I have planned for today's video is just to kind of get all the files created and everything that we need. So to begin with, what we'll do is just go into the file system and we'll want to create a file for the we're going to add all our login system at. So just go to where this PC and then go to local disk, and you should find a folder called XAMPP. And if you do not have XAMPP, just go into any browser that you have and just download XAMPP. And when you install it, this is where the file is going to be at. And if you're curious what it looks like, it's this one right here. It's just this. I mean, you just go in the browser and download it. It ain't that hard to get to. But anyways, go to that file and go click on XAMPP, and then it should be an HT docs. You can go to that, and this is where all your files are going to be at for XAMPP. So what I'll do is, you'll notice right here I created one for my YouTube test videos, and then so I'll go right here and just go ahead and create another one, and this one I'll just call it YouTube. Alright, and I'm just going to create all my files in this one, and you can name it whatever you want to name it. So now what I'll do in this one is I'll create another folder, and this one I will call the login system. Alrighty, so now you can back out of that and you can go to any kind of code editor that you got. And my favorite one is Visual Studio Code. That's just one I've always used and I like it. So that's what I'll be using. But click over here on File, and then you can go to Open File, Open Folder, and then go to where you have your other one saved. Alright, so that should be all for that. And then so now what we'll do is, you'll notice that it's pulled up your login system. So what I'll do is I'll go and create a new folder, and this one is going to be called index.php, and that is our main folder that we'll use. And then what we'll do is we'll create another one, and this one's going to be called login.php. Another one called register.php. Another one called forgot password.php. Then another one called change password.php. Alright, so that should be all of them, I think, for that. So now what we'll do is we'll go in here and create a folder to add in this, and this one is going to be called classes. Another one called CSS. That's not right. CSS. Another one will be called JS for JavaScript. And then another one should be called, actually I think that'll be all of them. Alright, so what we'll do in this one is go to where your CSS one is, and we'll create a folder inside of it. We will call this one style.css. And that's going to be our style sheet that we're going to use in every one of these to kind of speed things up a little bit. And then now what we'll do is we'll go to classes, and we will create a folder inside of that, and it's going to be called database.php. Alright, so that should be set up correctly. So if, let's say on the index, we'll come in here and we'll just type in hello everyone. Well, if I can spell it right. Alright, so now if we'll go to our browser, and we can type in local post YouTube, which is our file that we just created, and not the test one, but the regular YouTube one. And then we'll do login system, and that should be it. And you'll type it in. It should automatically save that one. See what happens then. Refresh it. Alright, and you'll see it says hello everyone. Now, index is pretty much like a default name. Like that's gonna be our home page. So, but we are gonna redirect this. Like if you ain't logged in, it'll automatically shoot you to the login page. But anytime you have index.php and you just type in the location of it, it's automatically gonna find that one and display that one. But yeah, that'll pretty much be it on the getting everything set up. In the next one, I'll go ahead and start actually coding it and kind of getting the UI and stuff like that going. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video.